This video explains what redo means. In simple terms, to redo means to restore an action that was undone. It brings back the change that was just reversed. Redo exists because sometimes undo is used by mistake. Redo allows you to move forward again by restoring the action that was just undone. It helps you return to the version you intended. Redo is not the same as performing an action for the first time. It is not the same as saving a file, and it is not the same as undo. It is also not the same as repeating an action manually. Redo only works after something has been undone to restore that action. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize when a program is restoring something you just reversed. You usually see redo when text reappears after being undone, when formatting returns, or when a moved object goes back to its later position. Redo restores actions in the same order that undo removed them. This diagram organizes the idea of redo. Use it as a reference if needed. When a change that was undone is restored, that is redo.